Menteri Rangba ka jala konrat ke sangma hagas ngitho ding ka khatlai tarikala lengkot arajar arpolai. Ula pli ya artli ki monorim jongka water supply scheme kaban penpoi shamanla ki thiluying bakan thup ya kasno nongse badum lengka. Ha ka jinga don lang Menteri Sarkar bad MLA ka melim ubadang shangtaishan uba Hamletson Dohling. Menteri Rangba haba jingkran ulong bagateka scheme kabawan lengba ka jal jiban mission kadeka scheme ka baka sarkar pedang kalamang nakamata ki shnong nong kendong. Heri menta ki census town kilayo jimentoi lang. Halor kane Menteri Rangba ulai ka jingero yoba Hamletson Dohling da ka baong badai lengba ka jingtresh tom jung jan baro ki census town menta kilayo jimentoi lang haka baka shnong nongse badum lengka kide ki manengkong banyo hadu haying. Ba Hamletson Dohling haba jingkran ulapan pau ka jingsung kemen balengba ka nega skim kan saweng ka jing jong kinong shnong na ka jingkrado kumta ulakan tui ki baiba nong shnong bakin ai ka jinga trailang kanang bakan long ka jingmentoi na ka menta ka jungki. Nagateka skim lamang arpa praklur prapukondailak nakamta ka umlengka berkasan klur tam nakamta ka nongse hakaba nakaliang katanat PHE kan saya cakmat namanta ban penya perang ya ketika skim.
At the very outset, would like to thank God Almighty for this beautiful day that He has blessed us with, and also the blessings of this wonderful project of Jal Jeevan Mission for Rongse and Umlinka village. I also would like to thank our PHE department for organizing this wonderful program. I will not take much time because our Honorable former Minister has already briefed you on the background of this project and the importance of this project. But I would just like to give you a small brief idea about how Jal Jeevan and this implementation has gone for the state in the last 5 years. In fact, when we had taken over in 2018, there were only 4,500 houses in the rural areas which had water connection through pipe, which made up less than 0.75% of the entire household population or the households in the rural areas, which of course made us one of the worst states in the entire country. All states were at 5%, 10%, some even at 50%, and Meghalaya was way down at 0.75%. So we were at the bottom when we started off in 2018. In the last 5 years, after we have worked, and more importantly, we have only been the driving force, I should say, and pushing the department, but the actual workforce has been the team of the PHE department itself. And hence, no matter how much we push, if the team of officials, if the team of the contractors, if the workers working at the grassroots level don't work, then nothing will happen. So it was because of the hard work of the PHE department that Meghalaya has actually performed exceptionally well in the Jal Jeevan mission. To the extent that the Honorable Minister for Jal Jeevan, that is Jal Shakti Ministry, Mr. Gajendra Shekhawat, when he came to Shillong, he had made a comment in the meeting saying that other states should follow the example of Meghalaya, and that other states should follow the model that Meghalaya is following. So it was a great testimony of the kind of work that this government has been doing in the last 5 years. And just to give you an idea that more water connections has been given in the last 5 years than was given in the last 50 years. So that speaks about volumes about how much work has been put into the overall water supply scheme. So from 4,500 houses, today we are almost touching 3 lakh houses that have water connection through pipes. And being in the bottom of the entire ranking of the country, today we are in the top. I wouldn't say top number 1 because there are some states who have finished 100%, but we are in one of the best performing states in the country today. And in terms of the work, another testimony from Government of India is that every year, whatever budget sanction is given to every state. If any state completes the budgetary allocation on time, then bonus is given to those states. And these bonuses are not small amounts. These are like in 400-500 crores. And I'm happy to inform you that Meghalaya is one of the few states, there are only 2 to 3 states in the country that have received the bonus 2 years consecutively. And we most likely will be the only state also now which will be receiving the bonus for the 3rd year consecutively. Credit and appreciate the hard work that has gone in by your leader and our leader who's sitting here right now with us. And I must thank him and congratulate him, because I was telling in another meeting one day that because of the work that is being done by him for his constituency, maybe he was thinking about Umlinka and Nongse and doing this. But because of that, today almost all the census towns today are benefited. Mairang is benefited, you know. And just one day we were just discussing with some of our leaders in Nongkrem area and Madan Riting area, and they were just surprised that when we told them that, well, we'll be getting MGNRGS now. And they were so happy. It was obviously the intention, but I'm sure the motivation started with Umlinka and Nongse. And the impact of that today is being felt everywhere. The Nongse project and this Umlinka project is almost close to 35 plus crores. Exact number and value of this sanctioned amount has come to 15.8 lakhs for Nongse, and for Umlinka it's about 28.89. But of course, as I said, the tendering process takes place. So in the tendering, it all depends on the L1 and all those other issues. So we will see exactly how much the actual value of the work will be, but that will not affect the overall implementation of the project. There will be 1,230 households in Nongse that will start getting water supply, and 2,242 households in Umlinka that will get the water supply. So this is a really, really big project, and overall close to about 400 crores more has come into the state because of the fact that census towns today are included in the JJM project.
Kirang ba shnong nakshong Umlinka ba sapan ba triki kirang ikba kaliang joda ba shnong Nongse Yopsos yang jauh PhD yang berada berjaya kita mana, kedai skip ke kerpan berkau kamen nam taki art di shnong ke Umlinka bat Nongse. Kini ki art di shnong ki bela yar bah hak jingnon jong nong shnong. Umbang umdi kedai ke problem ki baik kedua nak puas. Bat ngaju slog bat ki nang shnong. Nakaliang jong ke Umlinka kirang ba shnong, barakaliang jong ke water committee jong ke shnong Nongse. Bak ni sudhu ya ke jige habri berkumpah umdi. Dalam bah kan ke skim pada ke ba ngin bu iman rimata sini ke JJM skim bagi ong kan saweng yang jige jong pi bar kan pensubru kam tam ye ke ba bon ki pai barang shnong bersio nya ke dia ke JJM skim. Berkembang kau mentah hak sisa ya ka JJM scheme om jula terpendrekam hapo isem sostang namar kadai scheme balamang kerpang the tangna mata kinong kendong dan kita di rural area dak jangan jemput jonga pada jisung kia jong chim nasa lala ban pengangu ya ka serbaran dia hak ban beteng dan pada extend ya kadai jemput ya JJM scheme apa isem sostang kadai achievement ane kejeng yo bahaya ba tawa chi besar rola bane na tak stia jogi barkerpang namata isem sostang masuk men sipur bajing pasau jungai berit jungai jemut jungai berit hilai nrai la ada menyerap pantang ni pok ni potensi nrai ye babon ki konsusi ki ha apa isem sostang bad mentakasni lembah kali ke banpun ke banorem ikwa bani thu api kinong shnong jong ke shnong Umlinka ki benyo jumto ya lembah kali ke JJM scheme kinong arajar arspa sab art li kinong ye Umlinka arajar arspa sapa artli kilongyeng kibenyo ya haye haye bat kanong se apne kinyo ba shijar arspa lai photli kilongyeng ko se kunyo ya ga house collection hapo ye bat kamdei ta kundaru kandanru kajiban bha bat pinbuan ba he ya kene kisosom kijongi kinon kitop ki bagi tasna chongpi bat kandanru kaderling kabala ban atisho ban pinbuan sho namta kene ki artli dishno ngakan mau bagai shong meeting bat kanong se water supplies committee ilai mut ban drill hino hamte hapo ka government college hamte ba merang don ni kelamut ban drill nak dak yang kejonga hamte mar bang ngasutu aji korwa jog rehadien pada bang i kada green signal bangin yo ya jeje yang ong minum drill shu jong dari nabat ya ketika scheme kan rap subur ban pembiang ya kombam di apa kisnong di jopi dengan skam lempa kan sni bamtah bagin bu yung manorim skam kan ora kajikan man of the gopon kinong shong ila khot khang ni tangya ke romba kilong me bak samla ki pre ki balak soto ki bron ka jiki clear ki balak respond di nam ta yang sam nam ta ka shong tha bane kran ya ka ni ka kam umbam undi barakwa ban tu piru buat kontraktor ru ban pentre ya ka skibru ladat ban alon wadam martatien wadam sya pentami hang nuru lade padalot kam wat sedang no yang degakam kumbala karpa de yang joga PhD development nga martatien kinong chok song jungi kinong ilam song jungi kini tre rekan ka bat ka PhD development kram ba ka scheme kanong ka job bat ka nongru ka myntoi nam teknologi strong jong di artli isno kini klong ke ek bagi persang Mentrestom nak liang kejonga. Berkamaram coba emeli barabor berkeberigau lu galong bananra ia karoi kapa to asno kita. Development karoi kapa kadi kongsan tam padio apo asno kita. Kamen to kaya drama sustai. Digedon kam bananra ibu paper. Kasutna asno seru apsama le bon ba kam bananra ibu apo asno se. Gedos diam 12 nama tang thi. Mata proposal raya bastan baka ganda kabala mang sikrur lai paila bar ko naga theru ka dos jam kabala lai kro sa piu lagro ka kam kaliat ba tiba pun ba kam peroi langra po ka di artistong bar juru po ka konsihi bro gawe bar so komen bai to ep kubu ma jongpi ba treshitong laisna nama arsnem na thmyo antri kamba nama ka dan tu klam covid-19 ka ba la khangla gikam gijau jungi barfai arsten life tem ketrikam bargan tu ipi ira life priority sdong po kamle musensi bat barok life priority sdong po kunsi lala merat steam kibaper gani kajing putjung junga marjo ko memli ban i bakaroi ka pardon hamar sdong thahi barok we barga sokumen ngas popu paman bat ngadap dagen siam jong sukumen pukre bahi pore mangkor la menteri yak babon gikam ta kadau kat sebagai gaya mana ngacupu sampai baik namar bala banira kat bala menteri stom nam ta ka jibe jibyang juga konsumsi hi bro kowe